Then we will come to the three-level architecture of your database. Your database is divided into three levels. The first level is your physical level, which is your internal schema. The second level is your conceptual level, and the final level is your view level. Okay. Now the physical level is describing how the data is getting stored in secondary storage devices like your disk or tapes. As you are aware that your data is always stored in the forms of zeros and ones. So this is a level where your data is getting stored. Now, conceptual level means at conceptual level, your data is represented in the form of database tables. We have just seen that there is a mapping between your tables. So that logical mapping is done at your conceptual level. Okay. And finally, there is a view level. That is, as I said, because of security reasons, you do not give access to a complete database to each and every user. You are creating different views according to the category of the user. That's the reason in the external you will see view 1, view 2, view 3, view n. Okay. For example, suppose there is a student examination system. So in that system, every student will just get a view that what is the student information and what are the marks they have obtained. Okay. The second view can be uh, which teachers have set the question papers. So students should not be aware that which are the teachers who have set the question papers. The third view can be which are the teachers who have checked your papers. So this way, there are certain users that to that users you cannot give access to the complete database. And that's the reason at the view level, you will be finding multiple views. See, I have written till view n. Okay. Now there is a definition of data abstraction. Data abstraction means suppose you are doing any changes in any of the level, then it should not be reflected to the other levels and you are hiding the whatever are the things located at one level to the another level. Okay. So data abstraction is always the ability to change your schema. Now, data independence means suppose you are doing any changes at one level, it should not affect the higher level. Okay. So there are two types of data independence, physical and logical. Physical means suppose if I am doing any change in the physical level, that is I am changing the storage device, then my table structures which are stored at the conceptual levels and the views I have created at the view level should not get changed. Okay. Then logical data independence means if I am doing any changes in the logical mapping of the data, tables, my views at the end user should not be changed. So this is regarding your three-level architecture of database. Usually in exam, this is asked for 5 to 7 marks. It will consist of your diagram. You have to explain three levels and what is done at each and every level. Sometimes they ask you the definitions like what is data independence, what is data abstraction. So this is a short question which can be asked in your examination.